Got 2 more underrated sandbag exercises you might consider adding into your programming. First one up we have is a leg extension, followed by a zombie squat. So we'll start off on the leg extension in through here. Grab a mat or anything that you have to help take a bit of the pressure off of the back and the butt when you're laying on the ground in through here. I'm gonna be set up on the ground with my sandbag. Handle set number 3 will be facing up. I'm gonna slip both feet in through handle set number 3. It's worth noting that you should be wearing shoes for this exercise as well. You want to be as secured in this handle set as you can be. If you're just wearing socks, a sandbag might take you for a bit of a ride. So, I'm going to be positioned nice and close to the sandbag in through here. Handles will be right across, like mid-foot, right around the laces there, right around the boxes of the toes. I'm going to make sure that I'm really close in with my butt and my hips. I'm going to loop a few fingers in through the handles, screw your shoulders back. I'm going to be rocking backwards onto my back. As I do so, I'm going to extend up with the legs, and I'm going to keep my fingers supported in through the handles as I fall back onto my back. I'll keep the core engaged, take advantage of that momentum, rock back. Take a second here now to position the sandbag adjusted as you need to. On the way up, you may notice that the sandbag is going to reposition itself, and you may not have that whole foot supported underneath that sandbag. Once you feel that you're in a good place, you can remove the fingers from the handles. A few different options from here now. I'll show it with more body weight support first. So we can just take our hands just behind the knees in through here to help to support our legs and keep those hips nice and stacked. So you only want that movement to occur, flexing and extending with the knees. So I'm going to lower the sandbag down towards the floor. Could take advantage of my hands there to keep stacked. Lower abdominals are pressed to the floor. It's going to want to try and open me up and extend with the legs. Readjust the sandbag if you need to in between reps. Watch that it stays nice and stacked. Now, a little bit harder option to take that away, the arms around 45 degrees, nice tight fists. Again, those lower abdominals pressed into the floor so that that lower back does not come off. Lower down, extend back up, full extension. Once you've done your reps, to safely lower the sandbag back down, you can grab for the same handle set that you have, or handle sets number 4, and to help lower that sandbag back down towards the ground, nice and tight to the butt. You can slip your feet out of the handles through here. As you can see, it's a lot of demand for anti-extension to try and resist that hyperextension, especially as I'm lowering that bag in towards the floor. So really watch how you keep those lower abdominals engaged and press into the floor. Start off with this exercise with the hands supported behind the knees. Even if you think you can handle it without, start with that support first. My mat out of the way here, and we'll proceed to the second of our underrated exercises in through here. I'm just going to lift up the sandbag, just position myself in the frame here. Second exercise in through here, zombie squat. I'm going to be cleaning the sandbag up to a front rack position, so it starts on the ground. Handle sets number 3. Cross the toes, screw the shoulders back, hinge back, elbows up. Now from here, I'll remove my hands from the handles. You can use your arms to this point to try and help adjust the sandbag. You can roll it forward. Where you want it positioned, it's going to be right at the bend of the elbows there, right where the elbows and the biceps meet. Like so. Now, this position is going to want to try and carry you forward. So watch that you're not reaching forward with the arms, the shoulders are screwed back, core is engaged. It's going to try and collapse the arms too. So watch that you're keeping those arms stacked Wrists, elbows, shoulders, sandbag, everything's aligned at the top. Get to that comfortable squat position. Drive those hips out. Core engaged, back straight. Keep those nice active fists. Drive the hips out. Extend through the floor. And safely lower back down. As you can see, there's a lot of demand on the shoulders to keep those arms stacked and not in that position the whole time. Try those out. Let us know how it goes.